This is the bottom of the view of my shop door, which was rotted out, and I had to dig out all out of that rotted wood and replace it with good wood, and I had help from my friend.
Had all the rotten pieces cut out. Almost. Then we got to cut a piece of wood to replace it. Okay. We'll make it work.
I just gotta try.
Now I got this scrap board from Lowe's. It's free, and I'm going to use that for the replacement board. This is treated lumber, and you probably know what that is. This, when they buy pallets of lumber, this separates the wood, and when they're finished with a pallet, they set these off to the side for people, or they throw them in the scrap. So that's a good deal. I got away with not having to buy a whole board. Got this all cleaned out, cut. Now all we got to do is cut this treated wood to fit, and screw that in from the sides. That's the side piece that's about a hinge.
Lower hand. You gotta hammer that in.
There you go. That's it, isn't it? This is going to be covered. I want it to be the same width. I need to cut it back a little bit.
Oh, that's right. You need same width as this.
Yeah, I just want it the same width as that. Almost the end of it.
Better, much better.
some liquid glue.
That's better.
I'm here for some reason. You cut this, mark this one and this side. Okay.
Can you square that up?
Nah, I'm just gonna eyeball it. What I did with the last one. Until I get it to hold it still. Got the wiper on. Now we have to screw it down. Yeah, I have to come back a little bit and paint that white. Final test. That one.
Yep.
Another,
Open it up so we see how it goes.
another screw.
Get in the shade.
Alright, we got the door repaired, installed, all ready to go.